You have two things. You have assets and then you have liabilities. So assets are effectively what puts money into your pocket. Liabilities are what takes money out of your pocket.
Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my leg.
AMC closed bearish again yesterday, despite the opening of yesterday's session gapping high, which showed that there was some demand in the market. We could have possibly seen a green day yesterday, but the supply was just too great. There was a lot of bearish activity in the market, and then this brought the price all the way down from its opening at $6.33 all the way down to the close of $6.07, but its lowest point was $5.94. So what does this mean? Today's session is likely to be bearish, or if it's bullish, then the body of the candle is likely to be pretty small. So next week might very well be a bullish week. On the daily, seeing a lot more green candles and also one green candle on the weekly, heading up to test the $6.50 resistance, which was previously a support. So we just need to wait to see what happens next week, and especially in the lead up to pretty much the end of this year and then the start of 2024, especially Q1 of 2024. So if we have a look at the volume profile, and seeing as this orange line signifies pretty much the point of interest within the volume profile, it's the point at which there's a lot of activity that's been going on in the market, and most of the volume has been active around this area. So through mean reversion, the price is likely to head back up to this point around, in terms of price, $6.71, and the point of interest within the volume profile. So on the fundamental point, AMC is to issue 3.34 million shares. So this news follows AMC's closing of its $350 million at the market ATM offering earlier this month. AMC raised the capital through the sale of approximately 48 million shares. The company then used the proceeds to repurchase debt or exchange debt for equity, resulting in liabilities reduction of $62.28 million. Thus far in 2023, AMC has raised $865 million of gross equity capital and lowered liabilities by approximately $440 million by reducing our corporate borrowings by approximately $350 million and repaying more than $90 million of a C-19 related deferred rent liabilities, said CEO Adam Aron. So basically all this means is that AMC are lowering their liabilities. In terms of business, you have two things. You have assets and then you have liabilities. So assets are effectively what puts money into your pocket. Liabilities are what takes money out of your pocket. If AMC as a business, they're reducing their liabilities, all that means is that there's going to be more money in their pocket through the assets and the income. So this ultimately just leads to the business having more money that they can play around with. They can invest it, they can use it to run the day-to-day business, or they can use it to effectively pay for top quality research that can then propel their business one way or the other, effectively keeping the business afloat initially, and then once they start thriving, then effectively do a lot more with the business and expand. So from a business point of view, this is good news. But one thing to note with positive fundamental news is that it usually takes some time to basically reflect in the share price. So with this news, you're likely not going to see it in today's price that just jumps, etc. It's going to take over time. You might see initial movement in the price because of this news in today's session, but realistically, you're going to most likely see a lot of the movement Q1 of 2024. So like always, if we have a look at the overall market, so look at the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 yesterday actually closed bullish. This shows that the market is still going pretty strong, most likely going to head up to that $479 resistance to test it. But the fact that yesterday's session was bullish, and if today's session is bullish again, then this could trickle down to AMC's price, and potentially we might see a bullish close in today's session. And the Dow Jones as well, just like the S&P 500, had a bullish close yesterday. So overall, the market is looking very positive. It's looking like it's heading up, especially towards the end of 2023. We just need to wait to see what the market is doing at the end of this year, and then we'll start again next year with the market would be onto a new 12-month candle and it will start heading one way for the first 6 months and then possibly continue heading that direction or heading the opposite way for the rest of the 6 months. So with the market, it's just a waiting game. We need to sit down and wait to see what the market is telling us, which direction it's going, and then we position ourselves as best as we can in terms of investments. So this was just a quick update to AMC, letting you guys know what's going on with the price action and also the overall market, such as the S&P 500, letting you guys know what's going on with the market, keep you guys informed. If you're invested in AMC or if you're not, or if you're invested in S&P 500, it's sort of good to have an idea of what's going on with the market from a technical point of view and also fundamental. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further updates. And comment below, let me know your thoughts on AMC. Are you invested? Are you thinking about investing? Let me know in the comments below. And for your chance to win £100, guys, share this video, get it out there, comment below, let us know that you've shared it and all of that, and I'll put you into a draw and the winner will be announced at the end of the month. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
High grade sipping on my liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my